guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make glass in Minecraft. Also, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to craft a furnace, which is with cobblestone. Okay, I'm going to pull it up for you guys so you guys can see it. So wait 1 second. There we go. Okay, cobblestone stair. There we go. Cobblestone stairs. Cobblestone. Okay. Next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to mine the sand from the ocean or the beach. That will help a lot. Okay. Yep, you're going to need the sand. I'd get like maybe 17 if it's like a small house. Like a really small house. Okay. You're going to want to put the sand in the input. And just in case you need extra, put it in there. 64. Also, you can do any type, wood, coal, any type. And now I'm going to show you how to, well, you need crafting bench for all of this. And as you can see, it's showing up glass. Okay, so let me grab the crafting bench. I'm going to teach you guys how to make colored glass now. And, yeah, stained glass. Okay, so let's go right here. I'm going to get my dye out. Okay. Oh, pink dye. There we go. Okay. And, yep. Okay, I'm going to go in survival real quick. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me go in survival. / game mode. Survival. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to show you how to make the pink stained glass. You need that much glass, 1 dye. It's super easy. And then you can also make glass pane, I'm so sorry, glass pane. And you can also make pink glass pane. Okay, well that's it for today's, well, let me show you how to do this real quick. Okay, there we go, the pink. It's just the same, but it's pink. It's super easy. Well, bye guys.